So what is the best do-it-yourself fire starter? Well, among them would have to be listed cotton balls and Vaseline. The material is lightweight, easy to carry, and very easy to make. Here's how you use it.
Let's make this a little bit of a challenge. We'll start on standing water. We're going to use this yogurt top, forming in kind of a bowl, and it's going to float. Then we're going to kind of infuse this a little more, get it all kind of goobed up in there. We'll light it with this ferrocerium rod. And there it goes. It'll burn for several minutes. And you can see it's still burning even though it's surrounded by water. As far as I'm concerned, cotton balls and petroleum jelly are one of the most reliable fire starters that you can take with you in the woods.
This is Survival Common Sense. Thank you for watching. And please check out my book, Bushcraft Basics, a Common Sense Wilderness Survival Handbook. It's available at bookstores.